Assalamu alaikum grade 6. Today we are doing a computer topic chapter number 3. Topic is logic gates and logic circuits. Basically, first of all, I'll explain what is the terminologies of this chapter they are using. The logic gates. What are the logic gates? Logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. The relationship between the input and the output is based on a certain logic. Basically, based on this logic, circuits are named as AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, XOR gate, etc. What is the truth table? A diagram in a rows or a column, which is showing you how the truth or falsity of a proposition varies with it of its components. And what is a Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra basically is used to analyze and simplify the digital logic circuits. It is used only the binary numbers, that is the 0 or 1. You can say that true or false. It is also called the binary algebra or logical algebra. Okay, what are the symbols of logic gates we have? This is a symbol of a NOT gate. This is AND gate and OR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, and XOR gate. I will explain what are the definitions of these. Basically, NOT gate is also known as inverter, and NOT gate has only one input and only one output. It means if you are inputting 1, they will give you output of a 0. If you are inputting the 0, you will get the output of 1. This is the basically symbol of NOT gate. Now we have an AND gate. The AND gate is so named because if 0 is called the false and 1 is called the truth, the gate acts in the same way as the logic and operators. The output is true when both inputs are true, otherwise the output is false. In other words, you can say the output is 1 and only when both inputs 1 and 2 are 1. This is the basically a symbol of a AND gate, and this is the truth table. It means if we are inputting 0 and 0, you will get the output of 0. If I'm getting the one is on and other is off, you will get the off output. If we have a one input as a on and this one second input is as a false off, you will get the off. You will get 0. And if we are having 1 is on, 2 is on, you will get the output on. Okay, now we have OR gate. What is the OR gate? The OR gate gets its name from the fact that it behaves after the fashion of a logic inclusive OR. The output is true if either or both of the output inputs are true. If both inputs are false, then the output is false. In other words, you can say that for the output to be 1, at least input 1 or 2 must be 1. Like this, if input 1 is off, output is off, your input 2 is off, you will get the output off. If input 0 first one is off, input 2 is on, you will get the output on. If input 1 is on, input 2 is off, you will get output on. If both are on, you will get output on. Now we have a XOR gate, XOR. XOR gate, the XOR basically is called the exclusive OR. The gate in the same way as the logical either or OR. The output is true if either but not both of the inputs are true. The output is false if both inputs are false, or if both inputs are true. Another way of looking of the circuit is to observe that the output is 1 if the input are different, but 0 if the inputs are the same. It means if 1 is off, 2 is off, the output will be off. If one output is off, input is 2 is on, you will get the output will be 1 on. If input 1 is 1, input 2 is 0, you will get output 1. It will be on. If both are on, you will get 0 output. It will be off. This is the basically a symbol of XOR gate. Now we have a NAND gate. An AND gate. The NAND gate operates as an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. It acts in the manner of a logical operations and followed by a negation. The output is false if both inputs are true, otherwise the output is true. This is the input. This is how we can say that, and it is the basically symbol of a NAND gate. Now we have a NOR gate. What is the NOR gate? NOR gate is basically a combination of OR gate followed by an inverter. Its output is true if both inputs are false. Otherwise, the output will be the false. If let's suppose if we have an input 1 is 0, input 2 is 0, then we will get the output 1. Input 1 is if off false and the input 2 is on true, then it will be give you the off 0. Similarly, input 1 is 1 and input 2 is 0, you will get the output false 0. If both are on, you will get the 0 output. This is the basically a NOR gate symbol. Your home task is you have to learn the terminologies and you have to draw symbols of a logic gates. That's all for today's lecture. Allah Hafiz.